Fact Files, we're discussing anacondas. When most people hear the name anaconda, a specific species comes to mind. The green anaconda is the largest living snake and known as the anaconda. There are, however, 3 other anaconda species. Along with the green anaconda, snakes classified in the Eunectes genus include the yellow anaconda, the dark-spotted anaconda, and the Bolivian anaconda. None of these other snakes quite match up to the hefty green anaconda, but since they're all technically anacondas, we'll be discussing them all in today's episode. Anacondas are native to South America and live east of the Andes mountain range. These large snakes are part of the boa family of snakes. Often, boas are confused with pythons because both of these snake groups use constriction as a means of dispatching prey. However, there are some key differences between boas and pythons, and we'll be discussing one later on in this video. Anacondas thrive in water. In fact, their scientific name means something along the lines of good swimmer. Anacondas may be found in marshes, rainforests, and swampy wetlands. These snakes are often found slithering through murky water or on the banks of a slow-moving stream. Sometimes they may even take to the trees and watch their surroundings from the safety of the branches. Green anacondas especially utilize water to help move their heavy, bulky bodies. Though the green anaconda is the largest living snake, it's not the longest. That title belongs to the reticulated python, but green anacondas still outweigh the longest snakes. Green anacondas may reach more than 20 feet in length and over 200 pounds in weight. The smaller anaconda species, such as the yellow anaconda, aren't quite as large, but still manage a hefty 10 feet in length and 100 pounds in weight. That's still more than enough snake to take down large prey. As adults, anacondas tend to top the food chain. These snakes may take down the largest living rodents in the world, capybaras, as well as other smaller rodents, reptiles like caiman and lizards, fish, pigs, deer, and even jaguars. These snakes will sit and wait in murky water with only their eyes and nose peeking over the water's surface. Anaconda eyes and noses are positioned on top of their relatively small heads, so they can keep the rest of their bodies hidden while they scope out a meal. These snakes are able to eat meals so much bigger than their heads because, like other snakes, they have a stretchy skin and adjustable jaws. They also have windpipes that let them breathe while their mouths are stuffed with food, and the eating process can take hours. Of course, digestion is slow in these ectothermic animals, so after eating a big meal, anacondas may go months without eating again. While adult anacondas have few, if any, predators with which to contend, young anacondas may be eaten by, well, just about anything in their habitat that will eat a snaky treat. Predators to young anacondas include ocelots, caiman, birds, other snakes, and even large fish. And these snakes aren't offered protection from their parents, so they're on their own from birth. Female anacondas are larger than males, likely because they are tasked with bearing the babies. During the spring, a female anaconda will release pheromones to attract nearby suitors, and often multiple males will show up. Together, the snakes will form a mating ball, with the males wrapped around the female's body, all vying for her attention. After mating, her babies will develop inside her, but they won't be born as eggs. Female anacondas retain their eggs, which then hatch inside their bodies. Later on, the baby anacondas are born live. This is in complete contrast to egg-laying pythons. It'll be at least 3 years before baby anacondas are ready to reproduce their own offspring. Many won't survive the challenges of growing up, but those who do may live at least a decade in the wild. For more facts on anacondas, check out the links in the description. Thank you to David, Gregory, and Wishy Wushy for today's request. Give a thumbs up if you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.